YouTube. Yeah, where are my glasses?
It's very annoying.
Hello, mama. You guys want to hear me swallow? No homo?
I said no homo. You're a girl.
Yes, homo.
Well, my hair looks like a fucking big disaster. It's just not.
That looks like a sex kitten in the back. Huh?
It smells like dogs. Animals.
Spike is right there, asshole.
Listen, listen. I don't think they heard that.
Yeah, I think they did. No, nobody say anything. It shows right here.
Excuse me.
I want to burp.
Oh, so it shows how loud we are with my burp. Oh my god, burping contest.
That wasn't that high.
I think I'm gonna have to pee more than I'm gonna need a burp. Oh, you look at my piercings. Hey, nigga, watch the fuck out.
Something like that.
Oh! She went all the way to the top. What the hell are you drinking?
The same shit as you.
No, I'm drinking
That
orange
shit
juice.
hit red. That shit hit red. Your laugh hit red.
Oh, you can't even. Ah! No, that's because I started
Talking
talking.
right after. Go get some more drink.
That's far.
I'm not leaving.
Oh, let's have a farting contest. I'm just
I
kidding.
can't. That's not a challenge.
That just give me a lot
Bella,
of
bring
beans.
some water.
Water?
Water makes you burp too.
So does my fucking nutsack.
I know, I
Can I lick
burped.
it?
Last
I bet you did. Well, why the fuck do I look like that? This is for everyone that has me as a friend on MySpace. I look like.
Follow me on Twitter.
Don't follow me on Twitter because I don't go on it. But you could go on my forum spring and talk shit about how stupid I look.
Oh,
Hey, bitch, you look so stupid on YouTube. You look fucking stupid in life.
say the weirdest shit.
And fuck you, Junior.
Oh, junior bashing video. Oh, okay. This is
Okay,
a
hold
good
on.
video.
We're gonna stop.
Bye, everyone.